Daddy went to Walmart. Have you seen something there? Wow, it's nice you bought toy like Caleb's toy and then things. That's good. It's a Ghana macro geisha.
Geisha, I saw it, I think in Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart. Then after we saw some, geisha. Wow, this is good.
When I'm the
Chubani still no.
yeah.
Oh.
I think there was another day in the year we used to be. This oil.
Oh yeah. Okay, and olive oil. It's a here.
Can I be taught?
Yay. Okay.
So, pork,
Can I push it down?
then, get the beef.
Chicken and pork. Milk.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Food, no. I didn't pour your head. See, wow, what is that? It's nice. Uh-oh.
You like it?
Uh-oh. Okay. I bought this. Oh, it's very big.
Bigger than we.
Very big, like twice of this.
Wow.
I know, very.
Gariache.
So,
Okay.
tomato,
Yeah.
you know.
Daddy has done well, right, baby?
Okay. Peekaboo. What is this?
What is that? Car.
Do you like it?
Does it have battery? Oh, you will like it, my love.
remember?
Say thank you. Thank you.
You're
welcome. Thank you, eh? A prega. Owner. Battery.
Yeah.
Slot. Wow. He's coming to catch you. You are running away. Go and catch it. Uh-oh. I said, what is happening?
Put it down. Let me show you how to do. See. Let me show you. Hold here. Hold here. Press here. You see? When you press here. Press. Here. See. Here. Press. 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 Then use this to come back. Here. See. See. This one. Christmas tree, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Dad, this is what this is, Dad. Okay. Dad. Dad.
Have a hold.
Hey guys, we have our Christmas tree. It's getting there. Ging, 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 ging. Guys, it's getting there. The tree. So now my husband has put the LED lights around the tree. Is it LED light or light? My husband has put the Christmas light. The tree lights, yeah. Is it nice? So we have to spread the tree again, like so that it will be more fluffy. This tree, like it was trickish. We didn't know that we have to spread the branches. But do you think it's okay like this? Or the light is not enough?
To me, it's okay. Light is okay.
So we are yet to put these things, the ornaments and everything, the things. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you see my husband? Can you see it? Oh, I'm the only one seeing it. Do you celebrate Christmas in your house? Guys, I'm so happy. At least this tree will make my baby boy know that this month is Christmas, this month is this and that, because now he's 2 years and he knows other things. So, oh, it's good we are doing this so that he will notice it and he will love it. Because when he's watching TV and he see this tree and they dancing Christmas song, and in their school too, it seems they have something similar, the lightning. So I'm glad. By the way, Merry Christmas to you all.
Wow.
Because we'll be using it.
Hey, do you want to come and fix this?
Yeah.
Come.
Wear your hat. See,
I'm going to wear your hat. Go wear your hat and come.
wear your
You have to wear it. You see, I'm wearing. Mommy is wearing.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Merry Christmas. Come.
Okay, come.
See, you see the children, they are wearing
You
theirs.
see, they wear the hat.
Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to you all from ChrisLin family. So Caleb has a hat. He doesn't want to wear his hat. So his hat is saying, wait. Eh? Eh? Oh. Mm-hmm. There you go.
What do you mean?
What's up in the no press now?
Oh yeah, that yeah. We there should be a setting.
This one.
Yeah.
Come and wear your chain. See, Caleb has a hat, but he doesn't want to wear. Yay! Yay! What about you? And also, and also. Gift away. Wow, you look. Dance. Yes, dance. Let's dance. Hey, we had hack. Love you. Merry Christmas to you, baby. We God continue to protect you and guide you, okay? You wear your hat? Finish preparing our goat meat pepper soup or light soup with fufu, Ghana fufu. Pajamas for now, young person. See, this will be a good one. Hello, come.
Come.
Come and sit here. Come and sit in the middle. Come, baby. We hand. Love you.
Yeah, chop.
Love you. Caleb, come. You see, we are taking a picture without you. Is it fair?
Come. We should stop the music.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it's here. It's over there. It's here.
Sit down. Sit down. Raise your hand.
Guys, it's just disappointment when you're doing things with kid, a child who is less than 5 years. It's so annoying. This daddy got all of us hats and pajamas. This old boy way, this old man way, he has refused to wear his hat. And we taking photos too. He doesn't want to take the photos. And a diaper. Merry Christmas to you all. May all our heart desires come true. May God continue to protect us and bless us all. We love you guys.
Amen.
We love you guys. Hey, come. Hey, what's it going for?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Turn around. See who is this?
Daddy and mommy should go first. See yourself. Eh? Come and do your hand like this.
Come
Let
here.
me show
Come
you.
here.
See, you do it this way like this, right? You sit and do it like this. Ooh.
Can you come?
Sorry, mother. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Mommy, sorry,
It's
okay?
okay. Wear your hat.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not remove your breast.
You cry. Eh? Why? You want to wait? Say hi.
Hi.
Say how are you?
Ada.
Guys, we want to unbox. Daddy got you gifts. You have
Daddy
to
and
see
mommy
your
got you
gifts.
today.
No, we did this.
What is this?
Hey,
So what is this?
question.
Yeah.
Christmas gifts.
Oh
Oh no.
Come on, open. You want to open?
Yeah.
Sit down. Come and sit down.
Yes, I'll open it.
Yeah.
You want to open it with the pen?
no. Yeah.
So
Okay,
sit down.
then sit down
Sit down and open. Sit down. Wear your hat. Wear your hat and open.
So that has these gifts. Let's put that over there. No, it's okay.
It's okay.
So Caleb got all this, and he's unboxing. Oh wow!
Uh-oh.
Do you like this one? You like it? Do you like it? Kayla, you like it? Say thank you, mommy.
Tito.
You're welcome, my love.
Say thank you, daddy.
Tito.
You're welcome. You like it?
You like your gift?
Yeah.
Wow.
So say thank you, mommy.
Tito.
Say I love.
So guys, we have come to an end of our
Christmas
unboxing.
unboxing.
Yeah.
There are more to come, and you will definitely see us in the next videos.
How did they stop it? Kalap is not allowing us to breathe. With this toy today, I don't know. Kalap will sleep with it. He will pack all the toys.
Yeah.
This one, when he's going outside, he will be
He
carrying
will be
it.
carrying them. He will go
Because
to
his,
daycare.
yeah, his daddy bought him dashboard. Later the boy is going out, he wants to carry his toys. So I love the fact that he has piano. This is electrical piano. And I'll put you and guitar. And he has fire truck. They are all thoughtful gifts. And hey, I'm pregnant. Do you like it? You like your toys?
Yeah.
Wow.
What will you say to mommy?
Say thank you, mommy.
Tito.
Thank you, daddy.
Tito.
You're welcome. Say I love you. Say I love you.
Wow.
Love you too.
Can you look?
Okay?
See here.
Yay.
Show them your toy.
Show your toy.
Yay. Good boy. Good boy.
Show.
Good.
I think.
Guys, today is my husband's first time wearing pajamas in his life.
It is.